It's dinner time. It's time to cook these salt and vinegar chicken wings. But before we do that, I need some aluminum foil. Let's go ahead and open up this new package. Don't you just hate it when you use aluminum foil and this moves around? Did you know on the side are these tabs that you can punch in to hold it in place? Yes, let's go ahead and test that out. So before it just moves and sometimes it falls out of place, but if you push these tabs in, it acts as a placeholder. All you have to do is push it in and push it in right there because it's already, there's like cutouts right here, okay, which holds the roll in place. And now I can check it out. Wow. Now I can get my aluminum foil without worrying about it falling out or getting out of place. It's as simple as that. Now let's go ahead and confirm and see if the saran wrap has it. Okay, it looks like it doesn't. Well, at least not this brand. So I hope you guys enjoy this helpful video. Take care of yourselves and happy cooking.